Good morning. Learn Indian traditional Surya Namaskar. Very basic Surya Namaskar. Everyone can do. Little bit normal strength required in your hands, shoulders, etc. So Surya Namaskara main 4 benefits try to understand. Surya Namaskara improves overall strength of the body, flexibility of the body, breathing improvement, and maintaining your immune system stronger. So see, hands together here. Here we can chant, or without chanting mantra also we can do. So this is sthiti. Breathe out fully. Hands up, breathe in. Breathe out, stretched body. Bending forward. Breathe in, one leg back. So, see, ankle stretched, pointed. Knee down, hip region down, chin up. Left foot flat. Knee should not come more forward. Remember these things. Hip down, chin up. Now rear toe. Both legs back. Hold your body straight. Dvipadasana. Sasankasana. Breathe in, breathe out. Ashtangasana. Fully breathe out. Chest and chin down. Now without dragging your hands and knees, push your body forward. Breathe in, Bhujangasana. Press your hip region down, chin up, lean the neck. Here, ear should go away from your shoulders. Now breathe out, Parvatasana. Raise your hips high. Do not move your hands or feet on your mat. Hips high and press your heels down. That is Parvatasana. It is also called Adhomukh Swanasana, downward facing dog. Sasankasana. Breathe in, breathe out. You can see my hands are not moving at all. Now, one leg forward. We started with right leg. So same right leg forward. Again right foot flat. Knee comes above right heel. Hands flat if it is possible. Left knee down. Ankle stretched. Hip region down. Chin up. So that is Ekpadasana. Do not tilt left or right. Now breathe out. Other leg forward. Forward bend. Padhastasana. Hands up, breathe in. And breathe out. That is sthiti. In next round, I will not explain, so just I will tell you when to breathe in, when to breathe out. So synchronize your breath with your movement. Synchronize means start your body movement, start your breath together and finish them, complete them together. As per sequence. So this is sthiti, hands together, breathe out. Breathe in, Namaskarasana. Padhastasana, breathe out. Ekpadasana, breathe in. Dvipadasana, breathe out. Sasankasana, breathe in, breathe out. Ashtangasana, fully breathe out. Bhujangasana, breathe in. Parvat Asana, breathe out. Sasank Asana, breathe in, breathe out. Ek Padasana, breathe in. Padhastasana, breathe out. Namaskarasana, breathe in and breathe out. So that is Surya Namaskar. You can see one more round. I will do silently. Only you may hear some sound of my breath. So like that you can do 12 round continuous. Your whole body will become warm, flexible, stronger. Breathing will improve. Your immune system will become stronger. Whole body remains energized. Thank you. Do regularly.